Everyone, welcome to today's video. This video is going to be a bit different. If you want to see what I've been up to, keep on watching. Hi everyone, I know this is like a completely different video. I'm sat in my very messy front room that needs, you might not be able to see it, that needs decorating because I had my ceiling skimmed the other week. Do you like my jumper? Plants make me happy. That's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to be doing a bulb lasagna. So this week, sorry, I'm so tired. So I've worked so many hours this week and it's just been really stressful. Let me grab my tea, hang on. It has been a very stressful week. And I've worked loads of hours this week, and yesterday I was supposed to be on an early shift, but unfortunately the agency nurse didn't rock up. So we work on 2 trained nurses, 3 HCAs, 1 mid shift, which is an HCA. So sorry if you're new, I work in a forensic medium secure psychiatric hospital. So it's a bit like Broadmoor. We get a lot of patients stepping down from Broadmoor. And I work on a male ward. So there was 2 nurses, me included, on the early shift. And because of the acute chronic nightmare shortage of nurses in the NHS, and especially mental health, they couldn't find anyone to do the late shift, so it got sent out to agency. The agency cancelled. There was no nurse to cover, literally no nurse. So obviously we can't have a ward with no nurse, so I agreed to stay. So I had some emergency noodles in my bag. I always keep emergency noodles in case of situations like this, so I can actually eat at work. We do get fed, but the trolley food ain't that great. So I ended up staying on for a long day. So I'm really tired and I've already worked loads of hours this week. But the good news is I have 2 weeks annual leave and something so exciting is happening tomorrow that I'm going to share with you. I am going to vlog it, I'm going to film it and it'll be up next week. And also I'm going to batch film a whole load of crochet tutorials. So if you have any suggestions of what you would like to see, then please let me know. Crochet wise, let me quickly grab this. I'm actually sat on the floor. I don't know why, I've got a perfectly good sofa there. So my cardigan is coming on really well. So this is a no pattern cardigan. It looks really short. Don't worry, it is gonna have obviously like a border on it which will lengthen it. So I did 1 back panel, 2 front panels, join them together here, and then I've started a sleeve. But I haven't really done a lot of this week because I have been at work, coming home, sleeping, going back to work. And I'm using James C. Brett Marble in the shade MC45. I will leave a link below for it, so if you want to get it, you can get it. I'm loving this, absolutely loving this. It's been really fun to make, just to sit and do. I was taking it into work when I was just working on the panels, but now it's a full-on cardi. It's just too big to cart into work. Oh, my head really hurts as well. It's because I slept in really late. So today I am going to be doing, let me have a sip of this. I'm so tired, I don't even know what I'm saying. A bulb lasagna. Not a light bulb lasagna, a garden bulb lasagna. So, I know it's a little bit late. When does it say to plant them? Oh no, it's all right for these, September to December. So I bought this 100 flower bulbs in Tesco's, £9, bloody bargain. And it has Alia Mole, never heard of it, Iris, Pushkinia, Scyloides libanotica, don't know what those are, Muscari latifolium, Narcissus, and tulips. And I also have, because I have a very posh mother that shops in Waitrose, some snowdrops. So my plan is I have a couple of pots. I have some gladioli that have died back, so I'm going to dig the bulbs out and keep them for next year in my back garden. In my front garden, I have a pot that has a random tomato in that's now dying off. It's because I had so many tomato plants, I didn't know where to put it, so I found this random pot and whacked it in there. A bit weird having a tomato plant in your front garden, but there we go. We live in strange times. So I'm gonna take all that out and I'm gonna make bulb lasagna. So I've just watched a Sarah Raven, sorry, it's still on my TV. There you go. You might not have been able to see that. Sarah Raven video. Apparently she's quite a famous gardener. On how to do a bulb lasagna. So you do your tulips first, then narcissi, and then irises apparently. So you do a layer of compost, a layer of bulbs, a layer of compost, a layer of bulbs, a layer of compost, like that. So it's like a lasagna, and apparently it looks really nice. I've never done one. It keeps flowering for a long time in spring. It just doesn't just flower, obviously, because they all grow at different times. So that is my plan today, because plants make me happy. So I wore this jumper to work yesterday, and one of my patients, oh my god, they crack me up. I absolutely love them because their sense of humour is amazing. He was like, Lex, plants make me happy too. And I was like, really? He was like, yeah, especially indoor plants that you grow under grow light. I was like, I wonder what we're talking about here. I was just like wetting myself. So funny. Anyway, that's just a bit of a random story. So let us go and do some gardening. Probably half of you are going to leave this video now because you're not into gardening, but you know, it's my life, it's my channel. So let's get gardening. So this is the current state of my garden. So these need to come out. That's dead. That can just stay there. That's strawberries, they can stay there. But I need to sort all this out as well. Because this is all tomatoes and that's all died down. And the weirdest thing has happened because I planted, so these, I need to dig these out. These are actually spring bulbs, and I planted them when I was supposed to plant them, like in September, but obviously it's been really warm, so they're starting to grow. So I don't think that's going to have a very happy ending. Yeah. So this is the pot in question. Sorry, it might be a bit noisy because I live on a main road. So I'm going to empty all this into there, but look, this is a leftover pumpkin, so I need to clear that up as well. And then I've got my bulbs and we're going to get planting. First things first. That's gross. So that is all done and layered up. When I was clearing the leaves, I found a worm, so I thought I'd just rehome him in my pot, aerate the soil and all that. So now it's time to whip these out. I don't know if I've got the energy to do that. I've not actually used loads of bulbs. I didn't realise how many bulbs it used, so we'll see how much we can get in here. But this one has clearly had a lot of babies, and this one, so I think I'm not going to dig. I can't get them. I'm not going to dig the babies out. I'm just going to leave them. That worked. I'm just going to leave them in there to see what happens, because I wasn't going to swap this over. So you can see they you can see the little ones there. I'm going to split these two. There you go. So I'm just going to leave them in there. I don't think they might grow, they might not grow, but this one's got loads on. So we shall see. So that is it, everyone. My bulbs are in, my bulbs are done. I hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget there will be a brand new crochet tutorial up on Tuesday. And that's it for the rest of the week. That doesn't even make sense. I'll be filming my exciting life update tomorrow. And yeah, I hope you have a lovely rest of the week is what I was trying to say. Take care, happy crocheting and happy gardening.